This is the overhead crane disconnect. It's important to note that this disconnect is the only way to disconnect the power to the entire crane system. That includes that orange bar, the green ground bar, and the crane itself. So the power is transferred to the crane through that orange bus bar and then across the crane on the festoon system that energizes all the motors and makes everything operational. The only way to disconnect that power to the entire system is right here at this disconnect. This is the push button station control. As you can see, there is an emergency stop, a start button, an up, down, then trolley east, trolley west, bridge north, bridge south. Those directional controls are also shown on the bottom of the bridge crane with the north, south, east, west directional sticker, so that you know what direction you'll be operating depending on what button is selected. It is a 2-speed setup. The hoist in the down motion has a predetermined slow speed. If you push through the button, that's how you go to the fast speed. The same is true for the up. Slow, fast. And I'm simply pushing in the up motion the first detent point for slow, then fast. The same is true for the down motion. The trolley and bridge operate in essentially the same way. You press down to the first detent button. The only difference here is that you're controlling the acceleration when you push through that first detent. You're actually accelerating to whatever point you want, and then you come back to the detent, and that allows you to maintain that speed. That's also true in reverse. You can decelerate to whatever speed you want, and you can hold that. And that same operation is true for the bridge motion. So if I bridge slow, I push through the button. That gets me to a faster speed. I can accelerate to whatever speed I want and maintain that speed. The hoist is equipped with a redundant upper limit switch. In the up motion, the first level of the switch is a slowdown, which we'll see here. And I did not let go of the button. That's the upper limit slowdown switch. If you continue to go up, it will hit the safety upper limit, which stops the up motion. So watch for that. Once you hit that upper limit switch, it'll stop. You can go down at that point only. You cannot go any farther up. Right there it is. I can only go down at this point. And I'll go down and slow until I hit that lower slow down level, and then from that point on I can go fast in the down motion. It's important to note that that upper limit switch is only to be used as a safety limit. Caution is to be taken when you hit the slow down limit, and use that ultimate upper limit only as a safety device.